Welcome to eSIM Studios. This is what we have all been waiting for. The release of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and with it we got the official Pixel 8 Pro case and the free earbuds, Google Pixel Buds Pro. Now, this is just one unit. We have a total of 3 units coming. We have, this is a 256, and then we got 2 more 128 gigs on the way. This came a day early. I believe the other 2 are coming, tomorrow? Maybe later today, probably tomorrow. Again, this is the 256 version. And let's get started. We've got the case here. Let's see, how the hell do you open this? Don't want to rip it, but I intend on keeping, there we go. Some of these I just threw these on the table, literally got delivered just a minute ago, and threw it on the table, hit record. So we will unbox the device here in just a second. Let me just get these ready. Nice silicone case, official Pixel Google product. Okay, so we got that, and then we got the earbuds here. We'll do that in a minute, but let's get to what we've all been waiting for. Get these tabs ready. Peel those off, throw that to the side. Peel that off, throw that to the side. This is the blue version, Pixel 8 Pro Blue, 256 gig. Wow, look at that. Lord. Pretty good color match too. Almost identical. Thank goodness this is not a this is not a glossy finish. I was very happy, very surprised to see that they put a matte finish on here. Wow, look at that. That looks freaking awesome. And it's more, you know what? It's more blue in person. I was kind of concerned with it looking girly in the first pictures, because look at the photo of it. It looks like a cloud blue, but it looks more like a sky blue, if that makes any sense, or any differentiation in the two colors. It does look better. It has more color in person to the naked eye than it does in print. So if you see these on in print or on TV, or maybe even on the internet or YouTube or social media, it looks more blue in person to the naked eye than it does on screen or in print. So I'm happy to see that. Very, very nice color. So check it out. I'm filming on the S23 Ultra, pointing at you. I'm filming on the S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra has I have the white version, and it's a frosted white back. This is the same exact back and feeling and look and finish as the S23 Ultra. Same exact. I'm looking at it with my naked eye, not through the lens or the screen of the S23 Ultra. This looks to be the same exact finish, look, and feel as the S23 Ultra. So I'm very happy to see that. Very nice. Fits in your hand perfectly. Now, y'all ready to take this one off? Wow. There you go. There's the S23 Ultra. You can see. Let me move this to the side. Very, very nice look, feel, perfect size, more rounded corners, flat display. Very happy to see that. It is a completely flat display. Look at that. You got the SIM ejector on the left side here, antenna band. You got the 5G antenna up here. You got mic. Power, volume up, volume down. If I remember right, the volume And the power buttons were flip-flopped on my Pixel 7 Pro. I believe if I'm wrong, I don't know if I am. I sold the Pixel 7 Pro. I'll have to double check, but my wife still has hers. But maybe they flip-flopped it, maybe they didn't. I could have sworn the power was on the bottom and the volume rocker was on the top, but not a big deal, but just caught my attention. So the back looks like it's rounded as far as the colors. It's curved. But the screen is 100% flat. Cool. Go and turn that on and then just, it's basic unboxing, right? Oh, it's all the same. Nothing's changed. You got the USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. You got the USB-A input to USB Type-C for, I guess, computers, hooking up to a computer and or another device, but not many people have the Type-A the Type-A USB Type-A cables anymore, but whatever. And then you get a little booklet. Now, I believe the semi-ejector tool is in here. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Yep, there it is. You see it? Right there. So, that will be thrown to the side. Nobody ever uses any of this crap, but I understand they still got to, they still have to put it in there, but it's all good. So, this is the unboxing. Now, let's put the case on there to see what it looks like, and then let's start. It's time to do some testing. I'm going to go test some 4K video. Last year I had issues with my Pixel 7 Pro overheating. Yes, when I shot 4K video, overheat after about 2 or 3 minutes and it would shut down. So, guess what I'm testing on this one? Very first test, I'm going to go shoot some 4K video and throw this thing to the test. I'm going to compare it against my S23 Ultra. Video samples, camera samples, 1080p, 4K, 60 frames a second, 30 frames a second, you know, all sorts of stuff. We're going to do heat testing. We're going to test how much heat. I have a temperature gauge, not this one, but a temperature gauge that I'm going to see what the temp is on here. So very, very nice. If you're skeptical or, you know, not sure if you want to purchase this device, please subscribe to our channel. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to be doing case reviews. We ordered a ton of... Oh, you know what? Check this out. Hang on real quick. Look at all these cases we bought. Look at all this. Look at all these cases we bought for this phone. Screen protectors, cases, all sorts of stuff. So, subscribe to the channel. Look at all these videos I have to shoot. It's going to take me a few days, but long story short, subscribe to the channel. If you are a Pixel owner or a potential Pixel owner, like I said, if you own this phone or you're thinking about buying this phone, subscribe to our channel. We are Team Pixel. We are Pixel super fans, which is like their membership group where you're a super fan, right? So we bought 3 this year. We bought 3 last year. We bought 3 the year before. So, you know, we love Pixels here. We're a Pixel home, and today's like Christmas morning for us, unwrapping the presents. So it's a very big day for us here, and we cover everything Pixel, everything Samsung, everything Android, everything mobile technology. So let's put this on and see what it looks like. Cool. I was kind of skeptical. I don't typically purchase the official cases. For one thing, they're too expensive. Well, I say too expensive, but I mean, you can go on Amazon and buy a case for $20, and you can go on AliExpress and buy a case for $5. So that's why I typically don't purchase these. Plus, they've always left this camera bar exposed. All the cases I buy have the chrome part covered and then have cutouts. But, you know, it is nice. They threw it in. I believe, did we get this for free or did we buy it? I think we purchased this. but you know, my wife might want to use it with hers. Now that's cool. I did notice that they do have like chrome buttons here. Is it clicky? Yeah. But like I was saying, this doesn't provide much protection, although it is raised, so it's still not going to scratch it if you lay it on its back. Let's see if there is any lip protection. That's the good thing you get about these flat displays, is the cases along the sides actually come up and over the screen. When on last year's model, when the screen was curved on either side, the sides of the cases were also curved down. And the only protection you would get when you lay your phone down is from the bottom and the top of the case. Now you get full 360-degree protection if you lay your phone face down. Now we also gonna buy a sticker that we did for our 7 series that go across the camera bar. Now obviously it has cutouts for the sensors, flash, and thermometer. But I prefer the brushed metal look instead of the shiny chrome look on the camera bar. But we'll order those and do a separate video for that as well. It looks super cool. Go back into my previous videos and look at my Pixel 7 Pro videos, and you'll see the camera bar. The sticker we put, I believe it's Sophie Guard sells those, so we will order those and get one installed. But this is the official case. It has a cutout there for the little, what is that? Does have slight speaker up top like all these phones, but it's a nice fit. It's not too tight, snaps on pretty easy, looks pretty good. It keeps the same color. It's not slippery, but it's not super grippy. You know, it feels nice and squishy, not like, you know, super cheap silicone squishy like you get on Amazon back in the day, like those real cheap silicone cases that were basically like a squishy ball. But you know, there's just enough give in here where it does give you some grip, and it does look cool. Sort of matches the phone too. I might not unbox these Pixel Buds Pro. What the hell? Let's go ahead. Screw it. Real quick, just to see what you get. Do unboxing video for everything, right? Now, I believe I use Galaxy Buds. My wife is going to be using these, but we got them free. And we also got a free watch coming as well. So, Pixel Watch 2. So we'll get that tomorrow, I believe. So stay tuned to the channel. We'll unbox the white. Okay, so this one's blue. Tomorrow we'll do an unboxing for the white Pixel 8 Pro, and that one has the Pixel Watch 2. So if you're a Pixel Buds owner or user, basically the same. These are the pros, and it does match, so we'll keep it. And just wanted to match the color so you can see if it matches the color of the device. There's the Pixel Buds. Now, does it match this completely? Pretty damn close. Let's see what the phone looks like. Oops. All right, so my video just got interrupted. I opened these up, and then it ended my video and wanted me to connect to the Pixel Buds. So I won't be opening those up again, but as you can tell, it does color match with the color of this device. So that is going to do it for the unboxing video. I am going to get started on testing. I am going to shoot these case reviews for this device. And I got a glass screen protector, the very best one you can buy. I promise you, I've tested basically all of them, and this one that we purchased is the absolute best one for your device. And in that video, I will tell you why it is the best and why you should buy it. But we'll do an install and a review of that screen protector. It is glass, but we'll do an install and review of that. And I have a busy few days in front of me, so I'm going to let y'all go. Again, subscribe to the channel. We got a ton of Pixel content coming to you in these next few days. So stay tuned. I got y'all covered. If you got any questions, if you want me to review anything, test anything, comment in the comment section. I'm going to do a live stream later, a Q&A live stream. Subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on, and you'll be able to talk to me in real time and ask me any question you want about this device. I believe I'm going to do it later today, maybe tomorrow. So subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on, and we'll do a live Q&A on this device. I'm going to start using it so I can answer all your questions in regards to this device. So I appreciate your time, and I will see you very soon. Peace out.